Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best cheap keyboard pianos that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the 61-key portable electric piano. This is one of the best cheap keyboard pianos, and it has the 61 standard-sized keys for the beginners and students. You also get a music stand to place your music sheet on it for a hands-free performance. Moreover, you get 12 demo songs, 8 percussions, and 128 rhythms with this keyboard piano. It comes with a multifunctional LCD display for easy setting control and a black microphone. The cheap keyboard piano has the 128 timbres. This keyboard piano also involves the rhythm programming function. Furthermore, this piano has the record and playback functionality. The piano has a lesson mode for beginners. This keyboard piano requires a plug-in power adapter or a 6D-sized battery to run. The piano has a look and feel of a traditional piano. Moving on, at number 4, we have the 61-key digital electric piano keyboard with sheet music stand. Both kids and adults can enjoy this cheap keyboard piano. This piano comes with the 61 standard-sized keys for the beginners. The piano is also a digitally controlled electronic keyboard piano. Moreover, the lightweight and compact design of this piano permit easy transportability. This piano allows you to customize the sounds of the keyboard to play music on your phone or MP3 player. You can play this piano by using both the 6AA battery and a power adapter. Furthermore, this keyboard piano comes with a total number of 100 preloaded rhythms. The piano also includes 60 demo songs and 40 tones. You get 8 percussions and tempo and volume control as the additional functions of this piano. You get a music sheet stand with the piano. At number 3, we have the 61-key standard electronic piano keyboard set. This compact electronic keyboard piano set includes a DC 9V AC adapter, music stand and tool, headphones, and a keyboard stand. The piano has the 61 standard-sized keys for the beginners. This keyboard piano also comes with the latest MP3P music player function. Moreover, this piano consists of 50 demo songs, 255 rhythms, and 255 timbres. The piano includes a high-quality and multifunctional LED display for easy setting control. This piano also effectively delivers the finest quality effects and sound. Furthermore, the piano comes to the sensitive reflects functions and effects selection. Even, this piano has the function to correct your notes in demo songs. This piano comes with features like a master volume control, tempo adjustment, accommodating volume, single-fingered, fingered chords, sync, and fill-in. At number 2, we have the digital console piano with bench. The keyboard piano has the look and feel of the traditional piano, but with a digital console. This piano also comes with GHS weighted action to sound heavy in the lower keys and light in the high keys. So, the piano exactly sounds like the acoustic piano. Moreover, the especially matte texture of the black keys absorbs the moisture to remain tactile after every use without getting slippery. With the aid of the advanced wave memory stereo sampling, you also get the natural instrument sound in stereo. The controller app for iOS devices come with a rich graphical user interface to permit the easy and quick configuration. Furthermore, the piano has a unique dual mode. This mode allows the artists to combine the piano and strings, 2 voices together for a new jamming experience. It is one of the best cheap keyboard pianos to opt for. And finally, at number 1, we have the 61-key digital music piano keyboard. This is a portable keyboard piano and runs with a 6AA battery. The electronic piano also comes with a 110 to 120 volt power adapter. Moreover, the piano with complete 255 timbres and built-in speakers deliver the finest quality sound. The piano has a detachable music sheet stand. This piano consists of 61 standard-sized keyboard percussions. The piano includes 255 rhythms and 24 demo songs. This cheap keyboard piano is ideal for master finger control. The keyboard piano also comes with the LCD display to easily control the setting and advanced sound options. Furthermore, the piano allows the record and playback functionality. The piano has a microphone with 4-feet cord and an included headphone jack. You can adjust the tempo and control the master volume as well. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.